now. You know what that means?
Worship Jesus! Worship Jesus! Worship Jesus!
Kicking in the front pew, sitting in the back pew. Gotta make my mind up, which pew will I take? It's D now, gotta get down on D now. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. D now, getting down on D now. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Praising and praising, yeah. Worshiping, yeah. Fun. Looking forward to D now.
Double E, Emma Enix. So chilling in the front pew, in the back pew. I'm praying and worshiping fun. James with CG by my side. Woo! Pass around a plate to help those in need. Makes tick-tock, one to screen. Check my time. It's D now. It's a good time. We're gonna have fun. Come on, y'all.
D now, gotta get down to D now. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. D now, gotta get down to D now. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend.
Nah. Yo, Emma E, you ain't got swag without me. Kick it. Sea Life, D now. Praise the Lord, D now. Blake, D now. Casey, D now. CG, D now. Relationships, D now. Weird, D now. Weird.